In the ever-evolving world of fashion, some trends stand the test of time, while others, like the old money aesthetic for men, remain timeless pillars of style. This distinctive trend embodies more than just a fashion choice. It reflects a lifestyle and cultural mindset rooted in the traditions of the elite, especially families with generational wealth. Unlike the flashy and often ostentatious new money aesthetic, characterized by recent entrepreneurial success and rapid wealth acquisition, the old money look is understated yet undeniably sophisticated, exuding a quiet confidence and an air of cultivated elegance. From a fashion perspective, new money often translates to flashy displays of wealth, excessive branding, and a tendency to try too hard to make a statement. However, the old money aesthetic embraces a more restrained, refined, and quietly affluent approach to fashion. It's also more vintage. Think of clothing that doesn't scream your bank balance, but rather whispers your impeccable taste. A style that can only be cultivated through practice and a nonchalant demeanor. Think of icons like David Beckham and George Clooney, who embody this timeless elegance so effortlessly. So, in case you're interested in finding out more about this trend and want to incorporate it into your wardrobe as well, we've got you covered. Here's everything you need to know about the old money aesthetic for men. What is the old money aesthetic for men? The old money aesthetic draws upon the concept of quiet luxury, a trend often used interchangeably with it. This means that wearing excessively branded clothing is considered a social faux pas. Instead, the focus is on high-quality items like polo shirts for the summer or cable knit sweaters for the winter, all in muted tones that exude sophistication. However, old money in no way means having to dress boring. You can throw in an edgy twist to the mix, much like David Rose, played by Dan Levy, from Schitt's Creek, who might have lost his fortune, but never lost his understated sartorial flair. The key here is to play up with the fit and fabric rather than the logos and colors. Speaking of fabric, there's a preference for more natural fabrics like linen, silk, and wool. Even for the fit, well-tailored clothing that reflects elegance is preferred. As big fashion labels like Jil Sander, Bottega Veneta, Ralph Lauren, and Brunello Cucinelli champion this easy-on-the-eyes aesthetic, it's clear that the trend is here to stay. So, if you find yourself infatuated with the idea of channeling the old money aesthetic, here's how you can rock the trend without having to rob a bank. How to create the best outfits channeling the old money aesthetic for men. Out with the jogging suits, sneakers, and hoodies busy with oversized logos. In with a classic, discreet kind of chick inherited from a select few hairs who swear by understated and more cultured dressing. Here's how you can build the perfect wardrobe that reeks of old money. Focus on muted colors and classic patterns. When aiming for the timeless old money aesthetic for men, think of a color palette that never goes out of style. Navy, gray, white, beige, olive, and earthy tones are your best bets. After all, these colors exude sophistication. When it comes to prints or patterns, keep it simple and understated with stripes, plaids, and checks in your wardrobe. If you still choose to incorporate patterns, make sure that the other elements of your outfit remain neutral to maintain balance and elegance. Invest in these old money wardrobe staples. You don't need a dozen bespoke suits to ace this trend. Just a few high-quality, well-fitted essentials can elevate your style game. Consider tailored trousers, dress shirts, polished shoes, and timeless accessories like a classic wristwatch, nice long socks, or a silk pocket square. For colder months, opt for cashmere or cable knit sweaters, solid colored overcoats, branded vests, and a pair of quality boots. Never compromise with the fit and fabric. Let's talk fundamentals. Your clothing should fit your body impeccably. No compromises here. So seek out the finest materials your budget allows, such as linens, merino wool, Egyptian cotton, genuine leather, and fine silk. The goal here is to find clothing that not only lasts but also enhances your style. When it comes to jeans, opt for a regular fit, A pair of dark blue jeans and a light-washed pair is a must-have item in every fashion-forward man's wardrobe. Always keep the branding subtle. Remember, the old money aesthetic isn't about flaunting labels or conspicuous branding. So, embrace minimalism and prioritize quality over flashy logos. Subtle branding is the key to exuding class and refinement. Be on the lookout for thrift shopping. Don't overlook the treasure troves of thrifting and vintage shopping. These can be your best friends on your journey to timeless style. You'll discover unique, high-quality pieces at a fraction of their original cost. Consider exploring e-commerce businesses, especially on platforms like Instagram, where there are vintage finds aplenty. Get your grooming game on point. Sharp dressing is only part of the equation. Grooming also plays a pivotal role in looking, well, rich. So, opt for classic, neatly styled haircuts and maintain your beard to keep it tidy and well-defined. Don't neglect your skincare routine. Gentlemen, good skin is imperative to give your confidence a boost. Celebrity icons that exude old money. Here are top picks for male celebrities who embody the old money aesthetic to the T, embracing timeless fashion, immaculate grooming, and undeniable charisma. George Clooney. George Clooney, a paragon of understated elegance, often graces the public eye in tailored suits, favoring classic navy and charcoal hues. His clothing choices emphasize the importance of a good fit and high-quality fabrics. Clooney's mastery also extends to casual wear, showcasing well-fitted jeans, polo shirts, and tasteful accessories like aviator sunglasses and minimalist watches that exude old money aesthetic. His grooming remains consistently impeccable, with precisely groomed hair and beard, reflecting his commitment to staying sophisticated. David Beckham. David Beckham, a global style icon, effortlessly merges old money elegance with modern flair. His tailored suits, complemented by quality dress shirts and thoughtfully chosen ties, demonstrate his sartorial prowess. Beckham's casual looks feature well-fitted chinos, polo shirts, turtlenecks, and an array of tasteful accessories like scarves and clear glasses. His grooming game is also always on point, even when he is sporting a front quiff hairstyle. Bradley Cooper. Bradley Cooper, People magazine's sexiest man alive in 2011, exudes timeless charm through his fashion choices, while his signature style is marked by its versatility and trend-setting appeal. Cooper effortlessly pairs patterned shirts with suits, a bold departure from the usual solid colors seen on red carpets. His wardrobe boasts an array of jackets, from classic dark greens to timeless blacks, even embracing the casual elegance of suede. The singer-actor also fearlessly explores lighter-colored suits, solidifying his status as a fashion icon who thrives on sartorial experimentation. Ryan Reynolds. Next on our list of celebrity icons who encapsulate the mood of the old money aesthetic is Ryan Reynolds. The Hollywood actor gravitates towards simplicity, favoring classic three-piece suits and opulent black velvet tuxedos for evening and red carpet events. For casual outings, Reynolds effortlessly layers earthy-hued bomber jackets over solid-colored crew neck t-shirts. By adopting some of his style insights, you can elevate your wardrobe to luxury status, mirroring Reynolds' enduring charm. Cristiano Ronaldo. Soccer sensation Cristiano Ronaldo seamlessly blends his personal style with the old money aesthetic. His wardrobe is replete with outerwear in solid colors, linen summer shorts and trousers, and dress shirts always styled with cufflinks. Ronaldo's neatly trimmed short hair and clean-shaven face contribute to his image as the ultimate grooming icon both on and off the field. Jonathan Bailey. Bridgerton star Jonathan Bailey's style mirrors the aristocratic character he portrays on the show. From his thick earlocks and textured side-parted hairstyle to his power style moves including embracing matching shirt and tie combinations, Bailey exudes a regal and rich vibe. His personal style leans towards suit jackets with broad lapels, knitted polos, high-waisted tailored trousers and overcoats, all elegantly curated in muted hues that make him a true embodiment of royalty. clothing brands to swear by to channel the old money aesthetic. Let's explore some renowned brands that align with this timeless style. Here are a few classics to consider. Final thoughts. Gentlemen, embodying the old money aesthetic isn't about pretense or flaunting wealth. It's about valuing quality, radiating subtle elegance, and carrying yourself with an understated confidence that speaks volumes. Whether you're stepping into a business meeting, heading out on a date, or enjoying a casual day, our guide will help you channel the old money aesthetic to perfection.